Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Chairperson, distinguished guests, and fellow research. My name is Hairnisa. Today I will present my research title, The Effectiveness of Discovery Learning and Inquiry Learning on Critical Thinking Skill and Science Learning, a systematic literature review. This study was conducted within the Basics Education Program at UIN Palangkaraya. Let's start with the background. In science education, critical thinking is very important. However, I still see significant challenge in the classroom. Many students tend to memorize concepts rather than analysis them. They also have limited ability to evaluate scientific evidence. This problem reduces their problem solving and scientific reasoning. As a solution, active learning models like discovery learning and inquiry learning can provide meaningful experience to improve their skill. Previous studies show that discovery learning helps students construct knowledge, while inquiry learning develops scientific investigation skills. Both support student-centered learning. However, it remains unclear which model provides stronger support for critical thinking and what a challenge teachers face. Therefore, my objective is to analyze and compare the effectiveness of both model in improving students' critical thinking skill. To understand how this model works, I look at the theoretical framework. Discovery learning with the students through active exploration and concept discovery to trigger critical thinking. Meanwhile, inquiry learning focuses heavily on the scientific methods, starting from questioning, active investigation, to evidence evaluation. Both paths successfully lead to enhanced critical thinking skill. I used a systematic literature review with the Prisma method for this study. I searched for academic articles in three major databases like Google Scholar, ERIC, and Science Direct. I use specific keywords such as discovery learning, inquiry learning, science education, and critical thinking to find relevant studies. This slide shows my article selection process. From 85 articles identified, I screened 52 papers and evaluated 13 for eligibility. In the end, I include 24 relevant articles for my deep analysis. The selected articles were published between 2060 to 2026, focusing on my physics education, STEM, and experimental methods. Now, let's look at the key mechanism. In discovery learning, studies develop critical thinking through active exploration, concept discovery, and hypothesis formation. This process is strongly supported by student autonomy, high learning motivation, and meaningful learning experience in the classroom. On the slide, inquiry learning with the students through questioning, scientific investigation, and deep data analysis. The supporting factor here are intense collaboration, reflection, and evidence-based reasoning. This structure allows students to think more systematically. If I compare the two models in this table, Discovery learning has moderate complexity and centers on concept discovery. Meanwhile, inquiry learning has high complexity and focuses on scientific investigation. My key, my key finding indicates that inquiry learning generally provides deeper opportunities for analytical thinking, giving a very high impact on critical thinking skill. In general, both models bring positive impact across three areas. Cognitively, they improve analytical thinking and conceptual understanding. Ethically, they increase student learning motivation. And socially, they foster better communication and stronger collaboration among students. However, teachers still face implementation challenges such as teacher readiness, time constraints, and limited learning research. To overcome this limited learning research, to overcome to overcome this, I see great future opportunities by integrating technology such as digital inquiry, virtual laboratory, and AI supported learning environments. In conclusion, both models are highly effective for 21st century science education. Discovery learning supports independent knowledge construction, while inquiry learning strengthens evidence-based reasoning. Both models are strongly recommended to improve student critical thinking skill. That concludes my presentation today. Thank you very much for your time and kind attention.